Claude Advisor is insane. AI just learned how to think like a team, not one brain doing everything, two brains working together. And it just changed everything about how AI actually works. This is brand new, this is big, and most people have no idea it even dropped. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you're going to see AI in a completely different way. Okay, so let me ask you something. You know how AI has always been this trade-off, right? You want the smart AI, it's slow and heavy. You want the fast AI, it's not as sharp. You basically had to pick one, smart or fast, big brain or light brain. You couldn't have both. And that's been the problem with AI agents for a while now. You build an AI to do a task, coding, research, writing, whatever. And it has to use one model for the whole thing. That one model has to be smart enough to handle everything, which means you're either using the big expensive one for every single step, or you're using the cheaper one and hoping it doesn't mess up the hard parts. Neither is great. But Claude just flipped that completely. Here's what they built. It's called the advisor strategy. And the idea is simple. You have two models working together on one task. One model is the worker. It does the actual job, the research, the coding, the writing, whatever the task is. The other model is the advisor. It's the smart one, the strategist, the senior brain. But here's the key thing. The advisor doesn't do everything. It only steps in when the worker gets stuck. So the worker is running through the task, doing most of the heavy lifting. Then it hits a hard decision, a fork in the road, something tricky. That's when it calls the advisor. The advisor looks at the situation, makes a call, says go this way or stop or here's the fix. And then the worker keeps going. The advisor never talks directly to you. You never even see it working. It's all happening behind the scenes inside one API call with a shared context. The advisor is basically a silent brain running in the background. And that changes everything. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's out there helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to bring you the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop something below. He'll see it. Let me break down the models so this makes sense. Claude has three main ones right now: Opus, Sonnet, Haiku. Opus is the smartest, the big brain, really powerful. Sonnet is balanced, smart and efficient. Haiku is fast and light. In the advisor strategy, Opus is the advisor, the strategist. Sonnet or Haiku is the executor, the worker doing the task. So instead of running Opus through the whole task every step of the way, you run Sonnet or Haiku for most of it. And Opus only shows up when it's actually needed. That's a massive shift in how agents work. And here's what the numbers look like. There's a 2.7% benchmark improvement compared to just using Sonnet on its own, and around an 11.9% performance improvement per task. Not bad for what is basically a one-line change in the API. Let me explain why this is actually a huge deal. Because it's not just about this one feature, this is a sign of where AI is going. For a long time, the race in AI has been who can build the biggest model, who can make the smartest single brain, and everyone just assumed that was the path, make one model smarter and smarter until it can do everything. But what Anthropic just did with the advisor strategy is say, wait, what if the answer isn't a bigger model? What if the answer is a smarter system? Think about how a great company works. You don't have your CEO doing every single task, right? Your CEO doesn't write every email, doesn't make every small decision, doesn't handle every little thing. The CEO steps in for the big calls, the hard decisions, the moments that matter, and the team handles everything else. That's what the advisor strategy is. Opus is the CEO, Sonnet is the team, and now your AI agent works the same way. This is called multi-agent architecture, and it's been a big topic in AI for a while. But what's new here is that Anthropic built it natively into the API. You don't have to build a complex system from scratch. You don't have to write a ton of code to make two models talk to each other. You just enable the advisor tool. That's it. One line, done. Your agent is now running with a two-brain setup. That's why developers are losing their minds over this right now. Because it's not just a smarter agent, it's a completely different way of thinking about what an agent even is. Now, quick pause. If you want to be the first to know about stuff like this and actually put it into action inside your business, you need to be in the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where I work directly with people to help them scale their business, get more customers, and automate the stuff that's eating up their time using AI tools exactly like this one. Link is in the description. Check it out. Now back to it. Let me walk you through the actual loop so you can really see how it works. Step 1. You give the agent a task. Let's say you want it to do a deep research project or build a piece of software or run a multi-step SEO audit. Step 2. The executor model starts working. Sonnet or Haiku. It's going through the task step by step. Step 3. It hits something hard. A decision that's too complex. A situation where the wrong move could break everything. Step 4. It calls the advisor. Opus jumps in. Step 5. Opus looks at the full context, everything that's happened so far, and it gives back one of three things: a plan, here's what to do next; a fix, here's where you went wrong, here's how to correct it; or a direction change, stop, go this way instead. Step 6, the executor takes that guidance and keeps moving. And this whole loop happens inside one single API call. There's no lag, no handoff delay, no separate system you have to build. It just works. And you, the person using it, just see a smarter result at the end. You don't see the advisor working, you just see that the output is better. Now think about what that means for anyone building with AI right now. If you're building AI agents for your business, for clients, for automations, this is a massive upgrade, because the number one problem with agents has always been what happens when they get stuck. What happens when they hit a decision point that's too complex for the model they're using? Usually they either fail, or they make a bad call, or they just stop. With the advisor strategy, that problem is solved. The agent has a lifeline, a smarter brain it can phone home to, and it only uses that lifeline when it needs to. So your agent is no longer limited by the intelligence of the model doing the work. It's backed by the intelligence of the advisor sitting behind it. That's a fundamentally different kind of AI system. And here's the thing that blows my mind about this. A year ago, the idea of having two models working together inside one agent in real time with shared context in a single API call, that was not a simple thing to build. You'd need to architect a whole system around it. Orchestration layers, context passing, response routing. It was possible, but it was hard. Now Anthropic has made it native, which means any developer, any builder, anyone putting together an AI workflow can tap into this right now. No complex architecture needed. And that means we're going to see a wave of smarter agents hitting the market very fast, because the barrier just dropped. And anyone who understands how this works has a real edge right now. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, okay, how do I actually use this? Here's the simple version. If you're using the Claude API, you enable the advisor tool. That's it. Your existing agent now has access to Opus as a background advisor to use AI to actually grow your business, whether that's automating tasks, getting more done, building smarter systems. That's exactly what we cover inside the AI Profit Boardroom. So that's Claude Advisor. 2 brains, 1 job. Opus as the strategist working behind the scenes, Sonnet or Haiku doing the heavy lifting, smarter results, better performance, and a completely new way to think about what AI agents can do. This is not just a feature update. This is a shift in how AI works at the architecture level, and it just became available to everyone building with the Claude API right now. If you want to be the first to know about stuff like this and actually put it into action inside your business, you need to be in the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where I work directly with people to help them scale their business, get more customers, and automate the stuff that's eating up their time using AI tools exactly like this one. Link is in the description. Check it out. If you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one, including how to put multi-agent AI to work in your actual business, come join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Over 38,000 members using AI to get more done, work smarter, and stay ahead of what's coming. You'll get all the video notes from this video in there, plus the whole library of resources we've built. Links are in the comments and the description. And if you found this video useful, drop a comment below. Julian reads every single one. Let him know what you want to see next. See you in the next one.